The first feature of systeme.io is the ability to grow your email list. So, once someone has opted into your contact list, their contact will appear here. You can add them manually too. All you need to do is create contact and then input the information. You can also add custom fields. But the thing that you should do right at the start is actually create tags. Now, remember guys, in Systeme, we don't use lists. We use tags to help us segment our contacts. It's actually much easier than running and managing multiple lists. So, let's create a new tag together. Simply select Add New Tag, and for example, say that you've got an opt-in form on your blog. You can call this Blog Leads. Select Save, and there you go. There is your tag. As easy as that. It's so simple to do. Now let's go back to contacts. On the side here, there are plenty of filters that you can use to search through and find different contacts. You can also run maintenance actions, add tags, remove tags, and subscribe contacts to your email campaigns. Let's create a new contact together. Simply create contact, and then you're going to fill in all of the things you need to. For example, testing 1, 2, 3, 4 could be the email address. You can fill in all of their details, and here you can even select a tag to tag that contact with. Click on Save, and there you have it. Your contact is now on your list. You can also import your contacts from any other email responder you have used. Simply select Import Contacts and follow the instructions. Now, remember, when you're importing contacts, you can only import the contacts that have given you permission to send them emails. No email addresses that you have bought. If there are any discrepancies, we will see it and your account might get blocked. So it's a good idea to make sure that you clean up your list before you import it. To import your contacts, you just follow these instructions. You select here, choose the CSV file with your contacts, and then you can even select a campaign or a tag to tag those contacts with. How easy is that, guys? So simple. It's very easy and very practical to use this contact functionality. You can import your contacts or create forms so that people can opt into your list. And you can do it with or without double opt-in confirmation. That's up to you. In the next video, I'll show you how to create sales funnels, how to build your email list, and how to sell your products with systeme.io.